Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the simple moving average double helix. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the simple moving average double helix. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 48 different strategies, with 12 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 528 indicators, with 223 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, as I said, today's indicator is the simple moving average double helix, and you can see it here on screen. And so it consists of a few different parts, and so let's try to dissect them real quick here. Let me actually move back here a little bit. So ignore the thin black line running through the middle right here. Doesn't really have anything to do, I mean, it has to do with the indicator, but doesn't have anything to do with the signals that we're looking for. So we'll go ahead and actually turn that off. We have the lagging span, which is the thin green line kind of oscillating through price action here. You will know the lagging span from the Ichimoku cloud system or cloud indicator, whatever you want to call it. And then there are two kind of double moving averages clouds taking place here. Again, kind of similar to the Ichimoku system. And so you can see the thinner of the clouds here kind of hugging price action a little bit tighter, and then the larger clouds here, which kind of lingering below, sometimes above price action. What we're looking for is when, so both these clouds consist of, like I said, two moving averages, one a little bit quicker than the other, and so you can see that like right here they cross, and you can see like up here they cross. And so what we're looking for as far as a signal goes is for a short signal, we are looking for all four of the moving average lines to be red. We are looking for both of the clouds, so the inner part between the two moving averages. We're looking for both the clouds to be red, and we are looking for the lagging span to be below price action. And then on the reverse side, of course, we're looking for all four of the moving averages to be green. We're looking for both the clouds to be green, and we're looking for the lagging span to be above price action. And so We might actually test this one in a different way. We'll see how it goes, but let's try it this way first. This is how the creator suggested it should be used. So let's go ahead, get on with the testing, and see what we can get. All right, so the first signal that we picked up was a long signal right here. Again, if you look at the coordinates, the numbers up here, when I hover over top of this particular candle, you can see all 4 of the first numbers are in green. And if I back it up a little bit, you can see where they changed to red right here. Now, they all changed to green there, which means that all 4 of the moving averages were in green, but the clouds were not quite in green yet. It actually takes place right here on this candle, and that is a long signal. Lagging span was above price action, and we get to take profit on that one. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get everything back here, get it into focus. There and there. Let's go ahead and count these out and see what we got. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 trades all together, 5 signals, and we have 1, 2, and 3 winners. And so yeah, this, what can we say? I mean, it's an alright indicator. It's kind of, like I said, the play of kind of playing on the Ichimoku, which is a relatively decent indicator. I'm not sure if we've tested the Ichimoku on the channel yet, but I only gave 5 trades in 1 year, so that definitely isn't the greatest. But the signals that it did give were pretty reliable. There was definitely moments where we could have been taking advantage of price movement, but we weren't. because the indicator just wasn't giving us signals, or instances where we would have gotten to take profit, but our stop was just a little too tight, and so it just squeezed us out before we were able to get a take profit out of it. But all in all, a relatively decent indicator, so it is going to go on the yes list for now, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.